Good day, sir. For today, let's know the procedures in getting the resistance of a resistor using a multimeter. So, for this case, um, first things first, we should know that we should put this. We should know that the pointer deflector needle is at rest in infinity scale here. Then, after that, let's see to it that this pointer needle, this multimeter is working. So let's put it together. So and yes, it sounds, so it means that it is working well. So after that, let's make this um, range adjuster to, for example, here in 1K, 1K. So and in this part, let's join this together so that it after that it should rest in 0 ohm scale. So let's do this. So it's already in 0 ohm scale. So after this, our multimeter is already in good condition. Let's for for this time, let's measure our resistor. So here's our resistor. That's good. Then in our multimeter, it's 3.3. It's it's 3. So 3 times 1K is 3,000. So 3,000. So this resistor is in 3,000 ohms. So that is the procedure in getting the resistance of a resistor using multimeter.